back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix if is not charging on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, check your charger and power cable. After check your charger and power cable, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hot side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and click on charging settings and make sure enable fast charging. After enable fast charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.